Welcome to Sherlocks Locksmith in Chinatown, your trusted provider of specialized safe and vault services in Manhattan, New York. At Sherlocks Locksmith, we prioritize exceptional customer care service for all your safe and vault locksmith needs. We proudly serve various neighborhoods in Manhattan, including Midtown, Lower Manhattan, Harlem, Upper East Side, Upper West Side, Washington Heights, and East Harlem. Our team of professional technicians is highly trained and experienced in diagnosing and repairing any issue with safes or vaults. When you need immediate assistance, count on Sherlocks Locksmith in Chinatown for fast response times and same-day service. We believe in providing affordable vault and safe locksmith services without compromising on quality. With Sherlocks Locksmith, you can expect quick diagnosis and efficient repair services for your safes and vaults. In addition to our specialized locksmith services, we also offer garage door repairs for your convenience and security. For more information about our reliable locksmith services, contact Sherlocks Locksmith at 212-729-1375.